I am Trinath. My roll number is 19BQ180426. I am from 4th year ECE. Today I want to discuss about analog and digital communication system in optical communication subject. Coming to a general system is nothing but it is an optical fiber communication system which is similar or basic concept to any type of communication system. A block schematic of a general communication system is shown in the figure. It is nothing but if the signal from the information source travel to the destination through the transmission medium. Transmission medium consisting of a transmitter which is nothing but a modulator and a receiver which is nothing but a demodulator. The function of which it is to convey the signal from the information source or the transmission medium to the destination. The communication system therefore consisting of a transmitter or modulator linked to the information source, the transmission medium and the receiver are demodulated at the destination point. It indicates about the specifications and the locations of the respective parts. Now coming to optical fiber communication system, it consisting of an information source, an analytical transmitter and an optical source and an optical fiber cable, optical detector and an analytical receiver and destination. For optical communication system as shown in the figure may be considered as slightly shown in the B. In this case, this information source provides an electrical signal to a transmitter comprising an electric stage which divides an optical source to give modulation. It is nothing but of the light wave. The optical wave which provide an analytical optical conversion may be either a demodulator, laser, light emitting diode. The transformation medium consisting of an optical fiber cable and the receiver consisting of an optical detector which drives the further analytical stage, and hence it provides demodulation of the optical carrier. Photodiodes and phototransistors and photoconductors are the utilized for our detection of optical signal and optical electrical conversion. Therefore, it is a requirement for electrical interfacing at either end of the optical link and greater than the link signal passing, which is usually performed electrically. The optical carrier may be modulated using either analog or digital information system. In this system, it is shown in the figure. Analog modulation involves the variation of the light emitted from the optical source in a continuous manner. With the digital modulation, however, discrete changes in the light intensity are obtained. Analog modulation with an optical fiber communication is sufficient to implement, requiring a far higher signal to noise ratio at the receiver than digital modulation. Also, the linearity needed for analog modulation is not always provided by the semiconductor optical sources, especially at higher modulation frequencies. For these reasons, analog optical fiber communication links are generally limited to shorter distance and lower bandwidth and digital links. The below figure in this shown in the figure of a block diagram of digital communication optical fiber. Initially, the input signal from the information source is suitably encoded for optical transmission. The later drive circuit directly modulates the intensity of the semiconductor laser with the encoded digital signal. Hence, a digital signal is launched into the optical fiber communication. The IPDator is followed by a front-end amplifier and equalizer to provide gain as well as linear signal processing and noise bandwidth reduction. Finally, the signal obtained is decoded to give the original signal information. The various elements of this and these are alternative optical fiber system considerations are studied in optical fiber communications. Coming to advantages of optical fiber communication are nothing but they are very small size and they are acts as electrical insulator and they are immunity in interference and equivalence, and there are so many advantages of optical communication. Coming to anomalous practical bandwidth, the optical carrier frequency is in the range of 10 power 18 to 10 power 16 Hz. The information carrying capability of fiber optical cables is much higher. Small size and height is nothing but it has very less diameter, so it is not greater than the human of the ear, which is not also greater than the human hair. Electrical insulator, optical fibers which are fabricated from glass or plastic polymer, hence they are known as electrical insulator. Immunity to interference and fiber optical cable immune to conductivity and resolution interference and caused by the electrical noise resources such as lighting, electrical meters and fluorescent lights. Fiber opticals have very high immunity to electrical and magnetic fields since fiber optical cables are not conductor electricity, and these are cross between this is a block diagram of general communication system, and this is which consisting of information source and a transmitter, information source and transmitter, remodulator, and this is consisting of an optical analog communication system which consisting of information source, electrical transmitter, optical source, optical fiber cable, optical detector, and electrical source and destination. And this is nothing but a digital communication system which is nothing but encoder, laser, diode source, fiber optical cable, and APD and amplifier and equalizer. And this is thank you.